My phone is at 2%. The storm of the century is hitting my house. And my family? They haven't looked at me in 3 years. I'm basically a ghost. Then it happened. Total darkness. No Wi-Fi, no TV, no escape. I thought it was a catastrophe, but it turned into the best night of our lives. I'm going to show you how I saved my family from the digital apocalypse using only a flashlight and a plunger. Plus, stay till the end to see the one rule that changed our home forever. Let's go. Whew. Dave, man, are you there? I swear, this AC is just breathing warm air on me at this point.
Haha, yeah, I'm here. Rough drive? How did all the business meetings go today?
They went so long all day. Honestly, staring at that computer screen for 9 hours is just so stressful. It's making my eyes totally watery.
I hear you, buddy. Did you look at that file I sent over?
Let's see. Wait, hang on. The radio is saying something about the weather. Let me call you back. I have to hear something urgent over the radio.
Sure thing. Stay safe out there.
A major storm front is moving in fast. Expect severe lightning and potential power outages.
Hey, honey, give me those. You look exhausted.
Thanks. Phew, traffic was an absolute nightmare. Hey, everyone! Dad's home! Tough crowd as usual. So, you guys won't believe this. Dave went to a totally wrong meeting today. Sat there for 20 minutes. June, how was school today?
Shh, Dad, I need to watch this scene on TV. It's the best part.
Okay then, let's see. Jake, buddy, how did that interesting dinosaur painting turn out at school?
No! Jump! Jump! Oh, come on, I'm losing!
Look at us. So disconnected. I still remember when I was a kid, we used to sit together and really talk. Now we just sit near each other, same table, but it doesn't feel the same anymore.
Oh no! The TV! What just happened?
My game! It says, no network! Try again! Dad, the electricity is gone forever!
Whoa, settle down, guys. It's just a power outage. The storm knocked the grid offline.
But I was about to beat the boss! This is a total catastrophe!
What?
A catastrophe. It just means a really big disaster. But trust me, losing a game isn't a catastrophe. We'll be fine. I'm unsure as to when it will return, but it always comes back.
Look what I found! Let there be light!
Whoa! It's like a giant laser sword! Can I hold it?
Careful, buddy. Let's keep it on the table so we can see our food. See? Not so bad.
But I don't know what happens next in my show. I'm sad now.
I know, sweetie. But hey, since we have no TV, June, you were going to tell me about school?
Well, I had a math exam today. It was actually pretty hard at first, but I think I did okay.
That's awesome. See, I wouldn't have known that. What about you, Jake? The dinosaur painting?
It turned out okay, but I made the teeth way too big.
Buddy, T-Rex teeth are supposed to be big. That makes it cooler.
Exactly. A scary dinosaur is a good dinosaur.
Arf, arf, I am the legendary Shadow Hound.
Let me try. Look, Dad, mine is a bird flying away.
Mine is a nocturnal monster.
A nocturnal monster? What does that mean?
Nocturnal. It just means an animal that stays awake at night and sleeps during the day, like an owl or a bat.
Yeah, he eats shadows. Ugh, I'm so bored. My brain feels completely itchy.
Yeah, there's literally nothing to do without the internet.
Yeah, that's the sudden lack of screen stimulation hitting you guys.
What?
Stimulation. It means having lots of fast, loud things keeping your brain busy all the time. Without it, your brain has to remember how to entertain itself. Oof, the screen withdrawals are real. Hey, did you catch those last few words? Stick around till the end for the vocab recap. I promise it's worth it.
Well, I just checked the freezer. Since we don't have electricity, the ice cream melting is completely inevitable.
What?
Inevitable. It means it's going to happen no matter what we do. It can't be stopped.
Which means we have to eat it right now to save it.
Me! I want the chocolate one!
I get the strawberry.
All right. Bowls for everyone.
This is actually the best dinner ever!
Sometimes a little change of plans isn't so bad, right? Let's see. Let's do this puzzle while we finish our ice cream.
That's a lot of pieces. I don't think I can do that.
Not alone, you can't. This is going to require some serious family collaboration.
What?
Collaboration. It just means working together as a team to get something done. Look, you find the blue sky pieces, June finds the green grass, and Mom and I will find the edges.
Oh, okay, I found a green one.
Dad, wait, that piece goes right there, next to your hand.
Hey, good eye, buddy. See, we're collaborating.
They haven't fought in over an hour.
I know, it's kind of a miracle.
Come in, Dad. The base is secure.
It's cozy in here. Okay, the rule of the game is to create a story with things that are available at home.
How do we play?
We have to come up with a totally new, imaginative story. Everyone gets a turn to add a sentence.
Imagine what?
Imaginative. It means making up really cool things using your own brain and creativity, instead of watching a screen do it. Okay, I'll start. The brave knight opened the mysterious white box in the kitchen, and inside he found... Your turn!
A giant, freezing cold broccoli monster.
Oh no, not the broccoli monster!
Jake, what happens next?
And he defeated it with the mighty toilet plunger!
The legendary plunger of justice! Brilliant!
Dad, I really didn't know we could do so many fun things even without power and the internet.
Me neither, sweetie. Me neither. Good night, brave knight. You're out cold. What a genuinely great night.
It really was.
Oh, the power's back up.
You know, Mark, only when we do not have electricity do we realize that we are not having conversations and bonding with the family like the good old days.
Yeah, you're completely right. We were sitting right next to each other, but we were miles apart.
I think we should have a strict no screens rule during lunch and dinner times from now on.
I absolutely love that idea. No phones, no tablets, no TV, just us.
Deal.
Sometimes, the best way to connect is to disconnect. Stick around right now for that vocabulary recap I promised.
Today's vocabulary recap. Catastrophe, a big mess. Nocturnal, awake at night, sleepy in the sun. Stimulation, lots of loud, fast noise for your brain. Inevitable, it is going to happen. You can't stop it. Collaboration, working together as a team. Imaginative, using your brain to make up fun stories. Exhausted, being super duper tired. Outage, when the lights go bye-bye. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.